Okay, welcome back. Time for another PageKey stream. And today we're going to see if we can finish up the user design doc that we were working on yesterday and go from there. Quite a lot of design to do for the Boom app before we get really into any kind of crazy implementation stuff. Trying to have some discipline and do the docs first. So let's see what we can get to here. Now, this certainly can't be right. Because we should have merged at least some good stuff yesterday, right? Where is our user design doc from yesterday? Seems to have disappeared. Interesting. Oops, I'm ahead of the origin by 2 commits. Okay, well, let's just merge that into this branch and go from there. And we can see what we have so far. Okay, good. We have a lot of stuff here. And let's see if we can finish it out, do the rest of it. So we have a user. I'm going to see if I can speed this up a little bit. User twice. Then we have server, front end, user 3 times, server, user, front end. And we can read this again, see if it makes sense for what's going to happen here. And I know this is stuff that, maybe you just know it in your head, but again, going the verbose route here and trying out what if we go through the whole design process? What happens then? Okay. So user goes to the home page and clicks sign up. They're on the home page. They fill out the register page. Okay. They carry server. I think we should say creates user in DB and sends an email. And that's the register route. The user checks their email, clicks a link. So that's part of the email template. Actually, that'd really be part of this too. But I'll leave it there. Server checks code and activates user, so that's the activate route. User fills out getting started page with their name. And then this is going to be getting started page, I think. Okay, and then user clicks log out. So I think we have a log out route, don't we? Yes. still the logout route. Well, we can say that there's a dashboard page. Okay. This is duplicate. Well, maybe not. Whatever. I guess system would be a better name than server here. If we're going to get into real systems engineering. Tries to log in, whatever, clicks the forgot password link. So I think we have a page for that, right? Forgot password page. Okay. What else? We need a login page for sure. We could probably alphabetize the pages, right? Dashboard, email template, register page. And the home page. And then what else we got? Routes, register, log out. Getting started page. Is this the best way to do this? I don't know. Maybe there's a better way. Okay. This is probably the most boring one. I'm hoping that these other features are a little more interesting to specify. But okay. Am I missing the spirit of this? Where's the link to like some GitLab examples of these design docs? Let's check out their Tailwind. Ongoing. So they're still working on this. It was done in December. What do we got? This is short. I'm way overdoing it. This is implementation details, like way too many. All right, let me confirm. Am I really just overthinking this a lot? Let's see another one, GitLab. Okay, yeah, this is pretty short too. Oh, this is cool. These are all pretty succinct. I think I'm doing this wrong. Let's see, AI gateway, that sounds complicated. Okay, yeah, this is pretty complicated and quite long. What kind of stuff is going in here? Oh, they didn't really follow the same format either. Interesting. Okay. Well, I think we got to keep pushing with this. Maybe? Or is this too much? I think this might be way too much. Again, I'm just kind of repeating myself here, but I think this is way overdoing it. Cloud connector, what is this thing? Some serious goals, decisions. Okay. Okay. I think this user story, we don't have to go into every single page. I'm not going to link to these design pieces. Well, so far along at this point, I feel like this is too much. Why bother with this? I don't know. Contains a link to a page. With a token as a get variable. Okay, forgot password page. This page has a form with email for the user's email. Has two elements. Email on this page, the user types in their email and hits submit to send a request to the reset password request route. Okay. The home page will contain sign up and login buttons somewhere. If the user is already logged in, it will redirect to the dashboard. Let's just make a quick diagram too. You know what, I'll edit this online. So let's just say we are going to call A is Christmas. We'll call that dashboard. Nothing goes to the dashboard, but the login page does go to the dashboard. Now, how does it do these little decisions? Let me think. Okay, so login really goes to success, goes to the decision point of and then, well, check account. Okay, this is interesting. I should have just started with this. Whoa, you can add icons? That's awesome. Okay. Everything starts with register, right? Register can go to, wait a second, everything starts with home. Home can go to click login. Home can also go to click register. And then login can go to login. Login can also go to check account, which I already think I noted. Okay. And then check account, we'll go to the dashboard if they are already set up. Dashboard. Get money. Where's that coming from? Oh, I don't think I need that. And then what else? Check account on the other hand, if new user, it will go to, what did we call that? The I lost it. Getting started page. There we go. And then getting started, in turn, we'll go to dashboard once they are all set. Okay, so what are we missing here? Register. What happens after register? I think we're missing a page. Success. Please validate page. Or check email page. Okay. And then we can actually go from activation email. We'll go to the activation route. Can I make groups here of views and things? Should this be a sequence diagram? I don't know. Seems pretty complicated. Activation email. Check. Activation. If that's successful, we will go to the check. I'm sorry, we won't go to check account. Oh, check account should actually be, anyway, check account, where is that at? There we go. It's a decision, right? So check account, check activation, same thing. And if it's successful, then we go to getting started, I believe. Wow, this is pretty complicated, actually. I guess it makes sense to diagram this out, but okay. So what are we missing here? It's check activation, check account. Check email. I mean, that should point to the activation email. That would make sense. Okay, this is starting to look clear. I think this captures all the views. Check email. That should be... Oops. Should that be that? Well, maybe we can just say register goes to activation email. User checks mail. And then this check email thing doesn't really need to be there. I can just go right to check activation, right? Why did that just happen? What are all these things pointing here? And then the activation email can go away. There we go. That's a little cleaner. Check email's just hanging out. Okay, we'll get rid of that. So we're home. If we want to register, that looks a little weird. I think I'll put it back. It's not as clear. But that's not a decision. We'll just call that email. Send email. Okay. It's kind of mixed up here. I don't know how to denote that, but whatever. Maybe this should be a sequence diagram. Let's just save this for now. This probably should be a sequence diagram though. Let's see how this would look. Server, user. Oops. Or we'll call it system, user. User, system. Okay, perfect. This is going to be a mess, right? Wait. So we do have a whole flow here, though. It's linear. It's not like you can just pick and choose. It's going to be a linear start to finish thing. So I think this is probably the right diagram to use for this. So it really all starts out user, navigate to home page, serve slash serve home page. Okay. User, system. Hi. Click login, system, user, login page. Is this worthwhile? I don't know. I'm experimenting here. What else did we have? I'm sorry, click register, serve register page. This seems silly to me. I don't think we need a sequence diagram. I'm glad that I saved this. What's this missing? If check activation fails, yeah, I want these all to be pages, okay? So we'll make them pages. Make that a page. Dashboard page. What am I missing? Home page, home page. login page, register page, register page, send email is really an action. So I guess we can make it one of those little triangles. Activation email, which I think we called it what? Yeah, well, there might be more than one email template, so I guess I should call it activation email template. What is this user action? Activation email template. Clicks link. Okay. Activation email template. User clicks link. Check activation. That's fine. Invalid success. And then the getting started page. So we go directly from the activation to the login, or do we need them to log in? It's a good question. I think that should actually go right to login, huh? Activation can go to login page. Hold on. Right, it should just point right up here. Nah, I think it should log you right in. But the thing is, the login page... Oh, there's two dashboard pages. Okay. That's better. Okay, maybe this is too complicated, but I think this actually does represent what's going on here. I wish I could color code the pages versus the actions. And do I not have the mermaid extension? Okay. And then really only looks like there's about 3 routes to worry about. So maybe I can replace those. And I guess I forgot the logout route. Very complicated, but I think this is actually going to represent everything, which is nice. How does it look here? Yeah, this isn't bad. I think this is worth doing. I think I can replace this table with this. And if I could even put links there, that would be so cool. Nah. I don't know. I wonder if that's possible. Hmm. Yeah, you have to change some settings, so that probably won't work, but that's okay. The login page, we have all kinds of stuff going on here. And how do I change colors? Hmm. Aha! Thank you. Hmm. Here's the error. Let's try that. Nope. I know there's a way to do this. Okay, so you can say style and the name of the thing. All right, let's try it. That didn't work. How do you apply the style? Oh, fill colon blue. Oh, wow, that worked. All right, so let's make those actions like yellow or something. There we go. Beige. I guess that pops out a little bit. That'll work, I think. So send emails pink, check activation is pink. I think that's it. And then which other routes am I missing here? Log out. Already have register. So where's the logout route? Shouldn't that be called check? Shouldn't it be called like login route? Register route. It's just the activate route, huh? Is that what that's called? Yeah. Register, login, activate. And what else? Activate. It's right here. Login route is here. Let's call this request password reset. So we can call it request reset password and reset password. I don't know if that'll get confusing, more or less confusing than before, but we can say that, and then we can say onboard user route. And then these, of course, will all be to-dos. And now what are we missing in our diagram here? Registers here. So activate. Where is that? It's right there. Login is right there. Log out. It's down here. It needs to be red. Okay. Onboard user. I think that goes right after getting started. So wow, this is getting so complicated. And then onboard user route, dashboard, page. Oh, dashboard page. Onboard user route, fill pink. Okay, What else is going on here? Whatever. Not going to label those. I guess I should. Okay. And then onboard user route, register route is there. Request password reset route, password reset route. I don't know. Do we need these in this one? Yeah, I guess I should throw them in there. So from the login page, you can do that, I guess. So it would be forgot password page. Then what happens? Forgot password page goes to a route. I think this needs to be split up into multiple design docs, but we can do that in a minute. Forgot password page goes to submits. And then how did I do this before? Geez, that's going to go to forgot password template. Or forgot password route goes to forgot password template. Where even am I? In the email. Should I just call them emails? Let's just call it an email. And then forgot password email goes to the reset password route. And then reset, oh, I'm sorry, it goes to the reset password page. Which in turn goes to the reset password route. And then the reset password route finally goes to the login page. So I think this captures everything. Wow, good thing we have a diagram. This is a lot of stuff. I guess I could group certain parts of this diagram. Like this whole forgotten password thing could be a little group. Subgraph. This could potentially be a subgraph, I guess. I wonder how that would look. A lot of stuff here. I think this is sufficient. This is way too complicated already. Let me not do any more. What if I say fill and what is it? Font black. Fill and color. White. If I set it to white, does it go away? Send email? Why is it called that? Stroke. That's what it is. Stroke red. Stroke color. Stroke red. So why doesn't that work? Do I have to comma separate? Oh, but that does the outline. There we go. We want all these to have black text. Okay, let's try again. Okay, this looks good enough. Didn't realize this was going to get so complicated. But at least you can kind of walk through it now. I don't think that we need this at all. Okay, and then I guess I don't really need that anymore. Do this. Okay, so routes. Let's make sure that all the routes are represented. Oh, I wish it wasn't doing that. That's really annoying. Alright, I guess I do need that thing. Yo-ho! Zlaf. Register route. Okay. Pages, routes. So we have the activate route. Or let's just go down. Register routes there. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 routes. Okay, perfect. And then the pages. How many pages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. So missing a few. I'll start from the top. Home page is there. Register page is there. Activation email is there. I'll put those separate, I guess. Yeah, I mean, they are kind of separate, so we'll say email templates. Activation email. And I'm going to color that differently. How do I add comments? No. %%. There we go. Okay, so we'll say routes. What do I have to choose from named HTML colors? I'm thinking light goldenrod yellow. Sure, let's go with that. There we go. We'll do that one, and we'll do the other email, which is forgot password email. And that's the one that I'm missing. Forgot password email. Okay, to do. And then how many pages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 now. Dashboard's there, register is there, login is there, forgot passwords there, activation failed. Getting started page is there. Dashboard is there, forgot password is there. Reset password page is missing, so. Throw that in there. And then I should have 8 pages. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. 8 pages, 2 email templates, and 7 routes. Looks good. So I'll take this again, paste it in here, and we got ourselves a nice little design. All right. I don't have it in me to finish this now, but if I just go down the line, fill out all these pages, I think we'll be done with this user design doc. I think it is too specific, but good enough. Okay, I'm done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.